Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So open first the settings application, then tap here to the security and privacy section. After that, tap to more security settings, click to SIM card lock, and to lock SIM card with a SIM pin, click once on the switcher and confirm your action by tap to OK. Now enter your SIM pin code. For example, in my case, that will be from 1 to 4. Tap to OK and we could see the message that the SIM pin enabled successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.